welcome Cecil to the YouTube channel. This is Alphabet Animal Kingdom. M is from moose. So blob, kind of get it started and then dip in a little bit here and do a diagonal line. Great. And then loop it around. And then I pulled this out just a tiny bit, more of a flap. And then I think I'm going to make this a little bit longer. Awesome. Just add a little bit more to it. Great. So this is rounded for the eye. I'm going to scoot in and I'm going to do the circle for the eye socket. And the socket's very large, but the eye itself is pretty small. And so what else am I going to do? Oh, there's the nose. And I'm going to draw this more of a consistent line there. And this is going to be for the antlers right there, and bump this out. This is also for the antlers here. So you're going to go across and up and then in and out for the antlers. Great. Turn your lines. This is going to be the ear that's behind the antlers, and then there's the neck. So here's the other ear. Turn this line. Great. And so go out, and then I'm going to just go up and around and then close this off, but then go behind and add some more. Awesome. I would look at the picture too for ideas, or make the antlers a little bit more pointier. So here's the highlight, shade in the eye, make it nice and dark. So I first like to shade in the eye, and then after I do that I go around the edges of the eye just to define it a little bit more. So erase is needed. Sometimes I forget to erase. And let's shade it in. So when I'm shading it in, I'm using kind of a consistent line and not lifting up the pencil, but just constantly making it rest on the paper. But you can use colored pencils, crayons, whatever you want. This is just what I'm doing. And there's a lot of detail that you can look at in the picture. I put in the comments below, and if you want some more ideas. So this is a moose, and I had a lot of fun with it. It's a lot different compared to what I was expecting it to be. It's been a while since I've drawn a moose. I'm going to darken these lines here. So thank you so much for tuning in, liking, and subscribing. Enjoy.